For cooking sopas, we need garlic, onion, carrots, hot dog, butter, chicken, fish sauce, cheese, milk, pasta,
Chicken stock.
chicken stock. For now, we will cook. First, we need butter. We will saute the onion. And then next we will put the garlic. Next we are gonna put the chicken. Next, we are gonna put the fish sauce. It's getting even bigger. Next, we are gonna put the pasta.
Good job!
It's so hot. Next, we are gonna put the carrots. Next, we are gonna put the hot dogs. Next, we are gonna put the chicken stock.
Okay.
We're gonna simmer it for 10 minutes.
Okay.
Look, it's pretty boiling. Once in a while, we're gonna mix it. We can add a little bit of water if it's running out. Hello, my babies. Then we will have to put the milk. And simmer it for another minute.
What?
And for our last ingredient, we will put the cheese.
Good job!
Let's check if the taste is yummy. It's yummy.
Good job!
The pasta is cooked, so now we need to turn off the stove. Now I'm gonna taste the sopas that I cooked. It's yummy!
Good job!
Now I want to eat it all. This is my favorite dish that Mom cooked, but I can cook it now. Gonna tell this to Dada Mama. Dada, I didn't taste my favorite dish that I'm so this. Love the day, love the day, love the day. Love the day. I got to pee.